Hey, today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks about Alveo. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your variables in Alveo. Variables are your defaults when you enter the market, such as your lot size, your take profit, and your stop loss. The first thing that you need to do is come up to this floppy disk icon up in the top left corner. It's called File. You click on that, then you click on Settings right below that. When the Settings menu comes up, you're going to click on One-Click Trading and Variables. Here you can see your variables. You have your default quantity, which is the lot size, you have your take profit and your stop loss. To adjust these, you can click the plus and minus buttons, or you can highlight it and type in your own. So let's type in a 0.5 for our lot size, and you do the same for your take profit. Let's do 20 pips. And same for your stop loss. Let's do 20 pips again. And then you save that. So now you can already see down in your one-click trading, your changes have already been made, and they will be your defaults when you enter the market. Or if you come up to click New Order, you can see that your lot size is changed here and it's defaulted in the 20 pips for your stop loss and your take profit. That's it. That's all you need to do to set up your variables. Thank you for joining me today. We've been talking about Alveo, which is a product of Apiary Fund. If you'd like to learn more about the Apiary Fund, there's a link below for a free 30-day trial. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.